You are cruising at 70 miles per hour in heavy traffic when your engine suddenly cuts out. The decisions you make in the next 5 minutes will completely dictate your physical safety and exactly how quickly you get off the shoulder. We are going to walk through a 3-part survival protocol. Step 1, control the kinetic threat. Step 2, secure the passengers. It often causes a total loss of steering control. Instead of braking hard, firmly grip the wheel and let the vehicle coast. Steer smoothly toward the right-hand paved shoulder, aiming to park as far away from the solid white line as possible. If your engine dies in the middle of active traffic and you cannot reach the shoulder, do not exit your car. Keep your hazard lights flashing, keep your seatbelt fastened, and stay inside the cabin. Deliberately managing your vehicle's momentum is the only reliable way to protect yourself from the massive kinetic energy of highway traffic next to you, the width of the shoulder, and look for any guardrails. If pulled over on a narrow shoulder, the safest place for your body is inside the steel cage of the vehicle with your seatbelt buckled. This diagram shows the lethal zone around a disabled vehicle. Exiting the driver's side places you in an active traffic lane. If evacuation is necessary, use the passenger side door exclusively. Move everyone far from the roadway, ideally behind a barrier. Your physical positioning must always prioritize maximizing distance and placing solid physical objects between your body and moving highway vehicles. Step 3 is dispatching recovery. Picking up your phone before you have full situational awareness will only delay your rescue. This graphic displays the intelligence dispatchers need. First, pinpoint your exact geographical coordinates using the nearest mile marker or cross street. Second, state the exact make, model, and drivetrain of your vehicle. Transporting an all-wheel drive SUV requires a flatbed to prevent transmission damage, while commercial work trucks require heavy wreckers. Third, report the core mechanical symptom. Tell the operator if you have a destroyed tire, dead battery, or engine stall, so they can send a technician equipped to handle that exact problem. Ambiguous reporting forces dispatchers to guess. That leads to incompatible equipment arriving on the scene, multiplying the time you spend trapped in the danger zone. Who you call matters just as much as what you tell them. Dedicated local towing operators route your call directly to their own dispatchers in the community, whereas national motor clubs route you through out-of-state call centers. Those national call centers have a built-in delay mechanism. They waste vital time searching for and negotiating with an available third-party contractor, all while you wait in a hazardous location. This chart compares average wait times for roadside recovery. Local towing services typically arrive in 15 to 45 minutes, while national call centers stretch wait times to an hour or 2. Cutting out the middleman directly reduces your window of physical vulnerability. Geographical proximity and direct operational control result in the fastest, safest extraction. Following this precise protocol neutralizes the immediate physical threat on the highway. It initiates a rapid, safe, professional vehicle recovery. But surviving an emergency relies entirely on having a plan established before the crisis actually strikes. You cannot afford to improvise under extreme duress. Take 2 minutes today to look up a reputable local towing provider in your region. Save their direct dispatch number straight into your phone's contacts. An emergency is only a disaster if you lack preparation. With a strict protocol and the right local contact ready to go, a roadside breakdown is simply a managed logistical event.